Vaccine maker Serum Institute of India's CEO Adar Poonawalla on Thursday said the Oxford COVID-19 vaccine should be available for healthcare workers and elderly people by around February 2021. For the public, it should be available by April. The vaccine will be priced at a maximum of ₹1,000 for 2 necessary doses for the public, depending on the final trial results and regulatory approvals. Probably by 2024, all Indians will get the vaccine shots. Poonawalla was speaking at the Hindustan Times Leadership Summit 2020 in New Delhi. It will probably take 2 or 3 years for every Indian to get inoculated, not just because of the supply constraints, but because you need the budget, the vaccine, logistics, infrastructure, and then people should be willing to take the vaccine. So these are the factors that lead up to being able to vaccinate 80 to 90% of the population. It will be 2024 for everybody to get vaccinated, Poonawalla said. Explaining about the efficacy of vaccines, he said the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine is so far proving to work very well, even in elderly people, which was a concern earlier. It has induced a good T-cell response, which is an indicator for your long-term immunity and antibody response. But then again, time will only tell if these vaccines are going to protect you in the long term. Nobody can answer that for any of the vaccines today, Poonawalla said. Responding to a question on the safety aspect, he said there have been no major complaints, reactions or adverse events, adding, we would need to wait and see. The efficacy and immunogenicity results from the Indian trials will come out in about a month and a half. Poonawalla said that children will have to wait a little longer till the safety data was out. But the good news is that COVID-19 is not so bad and serious for them. Unlike measles, pneumonia, which is deadly, this disease seems to be less of a nuisance for children, but then they can be carriers and can give the infection to others. First, we want to vaccinate the elderly people and others who are the most vulnerable. Once we have enough safety data to go in on children, we can recommend it for children too, he added. Meanwhile, US pharma company Pfizer has sought the permission of US Food and Drug Administration for using its COVID vaccine till December in emergency situations. Pfizer's new move follows the finding in its third phase clinical trial that its vaccine is 95% effective. News Desk, Kaumudi English.